Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will learn stack widget. Firstly of all, we want to know what is a stack widget. Stack is a layout widget. It's used to arrange widget on top of each other, just like stacking card or layer. Let's understand stack widget with example. Inside body, we want to use stack widget, children, container, give some width 200 pixel, also give some height 200 pixel, give color dot pink set. Here it's visible, but it's not center. Let's give a center widget. That's it's use center. Now also we want to add other container inside children. Here I give 100 pixel, uh, color yellow slant. Also it's not center. So I give a alignment center. Now it's center. Also add one more container inside the children. Give height 15 pixel width. Also give height 15 pixel. Also give the color blue and now it's fixed. It's a layer. First container 2 pixel, which color is pink, it's visible. Second container is yellow, it's here visible. Third container is a blue accent, it's here visible. It's a layer by layer. That's the main role of stack widget. Some more property to stack widget, this which is the position. Let's understand what is the role of position in stack widget. Position, we want to use position widget, child, container, container, give width 30 pixel, also give height 30 pixel, and color, we want to use colors dot black. Currently it's visible here, but I want to it's visible top of here. Let's give some position top to 0. Look at this, it's visible top, but I want it's not visible here, it's visible out of container, it's visible here. How to do that? But if you want to it's visible here, you can give top minus 20 pixel, but it's here, but it's not visible, but it's here, it's visible here, it's property clip behavior. If you give here clip behavior dot none, now it's visible here. Let's give some decoration box decoration tab for box wrap dot circle. It's error because I use box decoration property, but color not inside box decoration. Let's inside box decoration. Now it's fixed. Also, I want it's or more top. You can give some height like a 15 pixel. It's now it's top of here. If you give here 10 padding, it's the visual on top of here. That's it. That's it. Stack widget. If you helpful in this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.